Hey guys, just wanted to go over real quick the benefits of a double end bag and how to use it when you first start. Okay, double end bag makes you actually lose your position, so you can't just hit a bag, it's not in place, it's always moving. So you have to be a little more eye and hand coordination. And you can put it anywhere, it's very easy, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can really work on your boxing skills probably more than any bag that you'll actually hit. So double end bag, the key is to probably keep it a little bit over eye level. That way you're kind of working your shoulders and you always want to be punching up, okay? At least there or right in front of your face, all right? So the best thing about boxing is you can really burn a lot of fat. Obviously you can learn some skills on defense and, you know, actually if you had to actually protect yourself, if you learn real boxing, and it's a really fun workout. So you combine that with weights, and that's what I'm a pro at. I've been doing this for 30 years, and that's why guys come to me at high level. But anyways, let's just go over real quick. So the basic thing you want to do is you want to be able to move, okay? So your hands are up pretty much at all times, and you want to stay loose, and you just want to put your hand out in front of the bag, and then just move, all right? So when you first start, you just want to just tap the bag, all right? Because if you don't tap the bag and use your might, you'll miss, okay? So it's just real quick, and you move your head. So my recommendation is start out with one hand, like a jab, moving your head, move left, straight down, okay? And just jump back, all right? So it's jump back like that, all right? So then we'll go from there, and we'll use the power hand, my right hand, again moving, straight down, move the right, move left, okay? And then once you get that down, you're gonna just straight through, then move around the bag. Balls of your feet, always keep in position, just tap it, straight back. And then as you get better, you can just, you know, tap a little faster. You can use uppercuts, straights, okay? But the key here is just to get rhythm, all right? And keep your hands right back to your face. You don't want to go like this. Don't drop, so it's just right back to your face. Here, straight, move, 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 move. Okay, just like that. Just tap it. You can jump in, move out. Okay, so as I'm going, okay, you'll start to feel it, and you'll be able to hit the bag without even looking, okay, because you know it's here, okay? So when I look over here, I just always know my hands are up, and I'm just dropping. Now, if you find that you hit it too hard, what I do is just recommend keeping your hands down, and just let your arms stay loose, like this. And that will just teach you how to stay loose, because you don't want to be too tight. So, elbows in, right back to your face. Right back to your face. Don't drop it, okay? I call it rowing. Don't row, all right? And then as you get better, you're just going to tap, okay? So those are some of the tips you're going to do when you first start. Changing hand position, always moving your head, keeping loose, balls of your feet. You can move around, pivot, okay? Move, and have fun with it. Combine this with high-level weight training, get on a good diet, and I guarantee, guys, you'll burn belly fat, and you'll get athletically fit, and you won't be like a meathead who can't even punch, all right? So keep it real, keep on learning, and follow up if you need any help. I'll always be here to help. Have a good day, guys.